Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today video about 8 tips to look more attractive. 1. Eye contact. Eye contact while speaking is an important skill that shows your honesty and integrity. When you see a person looking elsewhere while talking, the first impression of that person is unfavorable. 2. Don't be loud. The loud voice always hurts the ears and people cannot relate with them on an emotional basis. This is not the approach one should take to create a good image. 3. Dress for success. Appearances matter a great deal in both personal and professional space. Time to yourself to know what suits your personality. 4. Believe in yourself. Self-belief is a very important tool to have as it gives the necessary confidence to step forward. Believe in yourself and you will appear smart to others. 5. Smile authentic. A genuine smile goes a long way in creating a favorable impression upon others and makes you appear smart. 6. Good impression. We are habituated to form impressions both unconsciously and consciously of others after either a small conversation. Creating a good impression is necessary if you want to appear smart. Hey, if this is first time viewer watching my video or this is the first time you are visiting my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button. 7. Listen them. Creates awkwardness and false impressions. When there is only one speaker, it better let the other person speak so that you can listen to his thought, process and understand about actual happenings. 8. Talk clearly. Good vocabularies are always important for taking part in a conversation, but make it concise and clear so that everyone understands you without any additional efforts.